Today we'll be talking about how to get your man to think about you non-stop. How to get your man to think about you non-stop. So we're going to be looking at different points today, and I hope as we listen, we put all into practice. One of the points here is that don't be predictable. Yes, don't be predictable. Don't be predictable. By this I mean let him know. By letting him know all about you. By letting the man knows all about you. No. Maybe someone wake up in the morning. I want to brush. Like I brush my teeth. I took my bed. I've just woken up from bed. I've just eaten spa. All those kind of informations are not necessary. Don't be predictable. You don't need to be predictable. Let him not have too many informations about what you're doing at the moment, what you're about to do, except he asks. Yes, except he asks, because it makes everything so boring to him. You understand? It makes him so bored, like she's just on me, she's just on me. No, don't be predictable. Any information you're going to be given to him should be based on his request. Most times, if you must tell him you did this, then it should be on the maybe when he has engaged you on a long discussion, maybe on the phone or one-on-one. Then you can now say, okay, let's just deliberate on this or that, bring up some topics. Else, refuse to be predictable. Refuse to be predictable. That is one point. Then another point here is this, number 2, create changes. In other words, be mysterious. Create changes about you. Like let him fight to get you. Don't be so easy. Let him fight to get you. Don't just be bored or be all over him. No, be mysterious. Let something new happen around you. Create things new. Don't be too easy. If you're always at the same level, like you put your mindset, everything, he has known you that this is what you all about. He can predict you. He can tell us about you. He wouldn't want to fight to get you again. You understand? So don't be predictable. That's another point. Then make time for him. Sure, make time for him, but don't be too available. Hello, make time for him, but don't be too available. If you are too available, how then will he miss you? So don't be too available. Just make time. Or like for instance, if you say, okay, can we see over the weekend? Fine, you can go. But at least you just call now. Can we see over the weekend? This kind of reaction. Yes, I will be free. I'll be free. No. That is obvious. Too obvious. I mean, it is too obvious. So what I want you to do is like, can we see over the weekend? Okay. Let me think about it and I will give you feedback. You hold it there to yourself. Even if you are free and over free during the weekend that you think you should see him, of course you should see him, but at least, okay, let me think about it, I'll get back to you. Just put something like that up, and then once that times you feel like, okay, you want to give him feedback for that, just put a call, or when next he calls you, tell him that, okay, we will see maybe from Sunday 2 p.m. to 5 to 3, or Saturday to Sunday morning, all those kind of things. At least let there be a time there that, okay, at least he will be conscious that you are a busy person, you are engaged, all those kind of things. It makes him feel more important of you, honestly. Then another point here is that give him compliments. Give him compliments. Hey guys, this is one of the basic points. What do I mean by give him compliment? A kind of appreciation. You look charming, you are handsome, you're the best man. All those kind of complimentary words that will entice your man. Give him compliment. It's very necessary for a man. Men loves it. Men loves it. Wow, you look nice on this dress. In fact, all sorts of charming words, complimentary words, give to your man. Then make him feel like a man. Make him feel like a man. Make him feel like a man. In other words, each time men love women who gives them attention. Men loves women who have time for them. No big deal. Men loves women who gives them persist point. This last point here. Avoid too frequent calls and text messages. Avoid it. Making yourself too available makes things boring. Avoid anything too frequent calls. Too much of those text messages, they are too disturbing, too boring. Avoid those things. At least one, if like some persons will call, if they don't take once, you keep calling, you will keep calling until you can even kill the battery. No. At least when you are able to call him once, he's not there to take. You call the second time, he's still not there to take. Hold it there. He will call you once he's free or when he gets to his phone. Do not spoil your relationship with that. And most men doesn't like that. Too many calls. No. Call once, call twice. That have a happy relationship. Do not forget you're watching Kate Mindset. Thank you for watching us. And then look down this button. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. God bless you.